she walked up to me and reached and grabbed the bottle of vodka, and then just kind of stood back and then hurled it at me. And there was a larger bottle of vodka, the kind with the handle, you know, on it. I grabbed that and I went and I sat in my seat again. I opened the bottle and I poured myself a shot and drank it. Miss Heard was flinging insults left, right, and center, and she then grabbed that bottle and threw that at me. And then I looked down and realized that the tip of my finger had been severed. I started to write with my blood, in my own blood, on the walls. Little reminders from our past that essentially represented lies that she had told me and lies that I had caught her in. The doctor asked me what happened, and I lied to him. I said that I had smashed it in these large accordion doors, that it had got caught in the accordion doors.
Why would you lie about that?
I lied because I didn't feel, I didn't want to disclose that it was what it was. I didn't want to disclose that it had been, I didn't want to disclose that it had been misheard, that had thrown a vodka bottle at me and then took my finger off.
I walked downstairs and I saw this brown on the walls going down the stairs. And the brown on the walls became clear, like lettering. And then it was obvious it was dried blood. And he just looked, he wasn't there anymore. He wasn't there. It wasn't Johnny. He was standing at the office desk. He had his hand wrapped in this, like, rags, or, you know, bandana rags. And I think he took them down or somehow showed me, and he said, "Look what you made me do. I did this for you," something to that effect. I figured out he was missing a finger. He kind of held it up, and I said, "What did you do? When, like, what did you do? When?"
Again, why would I start lopping off digits in my 50s? If I, as Mr. Rottenborn suggests, am a kind of, you know, walking tantrum. When I was younger, why wouldn't I just start chopping off fingers and or some kind of, why would I ruin the only thing that was really good in my life aside from my children? So when this finger went, the tip of this finger went, the only thing I could think in my mind was, thank God it wasn't the left hand, which is the fret hand. I'm right-handed, so that's the fret. That's where the fretboard is. If you lose a finger from your left hand, you know, I'm not Django Reinhardt, who had only 2 fingers to play with. If I'd have lost a finger from here, I would have had to relearn how to play the guitar all over again.
In your opinion, could this injury have been sustained in the manner Mr. Depp described?
I do believe so.
And how might that work? How might a thrown vodka bottle produce an injury like this?
So a vodka bottle, which is a hard object, would have crushed the tip of the finger, resulting in the comminuted fracture. And in addition, as the vodka bottle broke, the glass would have lacerated the finger, resulting in the soft tissue loss that was also seen with this injury.
What's your assessment of the description of the cause of the injury offered by Ms. Heard?
I think that's highly unlikely.